Hey, you down there. No, up here. You can't see me, I'm just a voiceover, like in one of those public information films from the 1950s. Having trouble packing nice lunches using all that mess? All those mismatched containers? And you can never find the right lid. It's like losing socks in the dryer. Well, hold on tight, sister. Your lunch packing routine is about to get a makeover. Say hello to Easy Lunchboxes. Don't be shy, Kelly. Say hello. With Easy Lunchboxes, you can pack lunches fast. No more disposable, bad-for-the-environment plastic bags, and no more mismatched containers. Just one bottom and one lid, and it all fits neatly into this cool-looking cooler bag, available in stylish colors. Stop the lunch packing madness with Easy Lunchboxes. And now there's only one thing left to do. Sing the jingle.
Let's do